Today we are having delicious Basque Burn Cheesecake. Start with mashing up room temperature cream cheese. Add sugar and mix it up. Add cake flour and mix it again. Add 1 egg yolk, mix it first. Then add another whole egg, mix. Add heavy cream and mix them well. Line up the pan with parchment paper. Cut off the edges. Pour in the batter that you just made. Mash it on the table to deflate the bubbles. Put it in the oven, preheat 420F. Take it out after 30 minutes. Let it cool down at room temperature and chilled overnight in the fridge. You can enjoy it next day.